What's MxU? We get asked that all the time. MxU is the platform for churches to recruit, train, and retain their volunteer teams. It starts with our vast content library with discipline-specific training videos. You can assign videos to team members, upload your own videos, and you can even organize them into courses for a more guided approach. You can keep track of a volunteer's watch progress and check in when they might be falling behind. And with groups, you can keep track of multiple teams and assign roles to specific users to give them the ability to manage your volunteer team. It doesn't matter if you're a team of 5 or 50, MxU will help you care for and stay on top of training for each volunteer. This is MxU, used to help churches recruit, train, and retain their volunteer teams. Join the community and start using MxU for free today.